How is it that we can create a YouTube banner for our YouTube channel? Let's learn. I'm going to take you straight to Canva, and I'm going to teach you how simply you can create your YouTube banners from there. So I'm going to share my screen now. Here's your YouTube channel. I'm going to go to canva.com. I already have an account there, but of course you can just simply sign up. And for the options, there are many options on Canva. So I'm going to specifically write here YouTube, and you'll see the options that come in. Thumbnail, video, add video. There's a channel art, and there are loads of options by just writing YouTube, right? So let's say we have to do a display ad or a YouTube icon. So let's click on that first. Now this is your YouTube icon, which is the profile picture is what we can call it. So that's one. We click on this and create the profile look. And I'm also going to find the YouTube banner, which is right here. So there's YouTube thumbnail as well. Now this is the thumbnail that we're talking about for the starting of your video. So we're going to be learning that as well. And the third thing I want to tell you is here. So let's just pick any one of these templates. And I'm going to write the word banner here. Now, sorry, I'm going to write YouTube because I'm specifically looking for YouTube video. Now this is going to be the banner. Here we are to create the thumbnail, which is your video thumbnail. So let's say you're talking about English. I'm going to go on the left and pick up photos of, let's say, English, and see what interesting pictures I can get from here. So let's say we've got learn English. I can throw that right here. Just a moment. I can throw that right here and put this picture instead. Okay, I'm going to stretch this picture in a way that it can be here. And I'm going to write basics, learn basics of noun and verb. Now it's going out of my frame, so I'm going to make it a smaller size, maybe even smaller, with max skills. And of course you can call that whatever it is that you're sort of teaching, max skills teaching. Now you can put in your logo here as well, and here it is that my thumbnail is ready. Let me download this thumbnail and teach you how I can even change the thumbnail that I've already put on a YouTube video. Here it is. Now I am already in my studio, and I'm going to teach you how to go back there starting from scratch. So I am on YouTube. How is it that I can change the thumbnail of my video? So here I am in my account because I've already signed in. Let me straight go to my account, and I'm going to request it to take me to my YouTube studio. Okay, here I am in my YouTube studio, and there is one video that I've uploaded. So of course the impressions and views are 0 right now. Let me click on this. This is my last video, and my views are 0. It tells me all about it. Let me go to my videos, and let's edit this. So what are the options? Details, analytics, comments, and view on YouTube. No, we don't want to do either of them. Let's click on other options, edit title and description, promote, download, delete forever. I don't want to do that. I will go to edit title and description. Here, I can of course change the title and description that I want, and I could also edit. Okay. Let me just open it. Click on this, and I get more details of it. So we're back to where we uploaded all this, and right here on the option of thumbnail, I click right here. So I can just click on change, and the thumbnail that we've created is right here in my downloads. Here we are. And I'm going to go straight to the new banner that we've just created. Do you see English? And it says save. Now let's see right here, learn basics of noun and verb, and my thumbnail has been uploaded, right? Similarly, I can also change the profile picture look. So let's say I have a logo. Let me go to photos and say education. Or maybe I don't want to have a company logo and it's just my private class. I can put this picture in the background, right? And instead of cheese pizza, any of this, let me get the pencils here so that everyone can see that it's relating to a teacher. And I can write, learn with Sarika every day. And this can be my profile picture. Let me download it. I can go back to YouTube. Just a moment. I'm going to go back to YouTube and put my profile picture, change it of the channel that I had created. So let me go right here, go to my channel, customize it, click on this, Max Skills Learning, edit this, edit the icon, and add this new icon that I've created. So all I did was I went to Canva and I took ready formats, upload a picture. I took ready formats of the display picture and of the thumbnail, and I've been able to change that as simply as that. Here, do you see it's going to get uploaded? Learn with Sarika. I don't want any logo. I've just started out as a teacher and I'd like the thumbnail to be changed, right? Similarly, this banner can also be changed by just clicking on this and changing it, right? So this is what I want to teach you as well.